This is Arun Pradhan, your dance teacher. I welcome you all to this summer camp. Today we are going to learn a patriotic song based in the style of contemporary. Once again, it is a patriotic song. The dance style will be contemporary. Then we have discussed what is dance, the body movements which moves with music or beats and express our feelings. It called as dance. Remember once again, body movements which moves with music or beats and express our feelings, it called as dance. So dance is divided into three categories or three styles. One is folk dance, another one is classical dance, third one is modern dance. Understand? Folk dance, classical dance, modern dance. But dance is also having subcategories. Like if you join folk with classical, it will be creating the traditional dance style. Understand? If you join folk with classical, but if you join classical with modern, it will create contemporary dance style. Understand, everyone? Once again, I am telling you, folk with classical, it will create traditional dance style. If you connect classical with modern, that will be contemporary dance style. After that also, if you join folk, classical, modern, three together also, you can create semi-classical dance style. So the contemporary dance is divided into two parts. One is Western contemporary, another one is Indian contemporary. Okay, one is Western contemporary, another one is Indian contemporary. What are the difference in between these two? Western contemporary is focused on classical ballet, also jazz style, also modern dance style, some of the modern dance style. But Indian contemporary dance style follows the Bharatanatyam dance style, also acrobatics, also two most important dance styles. Those are called as traditional dance style. Those are Kalaripayattu from Kerala, Chhau dance from Odisha. Once again, Kalaripayattu from Kerala, Chhau dance from Odisha. These two traditional martial art dance style steps were used so much in the contemporary dance. Once again, I am telling you two types of contemporary dance style you can see. One is Western contemporary dance style, another one is Indian contemporary dance style. Western contemporary dance style is focused on classical ballet dance style. Also with that they are joining jazz style and modern dance styles. But in Indian contemporary dance style, they are using some of the steps of classical dance, also some traditional that is from Kerala we can find out Kalaripayattu, and from Odisha you can find out Chhau dance style. We can see also with that they are mixing with acrobatic movements. First of all, you should know what is contemporary dance style. This is a expressing way of dance style. How you are expressing yourself with the body movements. Contemporary dance style based on 5 elements. Children, in dance also we use elements, not only in the science, we are using in the dance. 5 elements are earth, water, air, fire, sky. Once again, 5 elements are earth, water, air, fire and sky. So following these elements movements, contemporary dance is created. Mostly it is like you have to be grounded. Like earth, the movements connected with earth, that will be like grounded, steady movements. Then you have to be light and fly. That is you are connecting with the sky. Okay, like you have to be fluidic. Like the movements should flow inside your body. That is like water. Okay, then air also you have to be like jump to side, jump to up, like this light. You have to be light also. It is part of the air. Fire is the energy. How you develop your energy with the acrobatic movements. So that is the part of contemporary dance style. Everyone understood? So today we are going to learn in a song named Vijayi Bhava from the cinema Manikarnika. Okay, so in that we are using this contemporary movement. I will show you first the steps one by one. Then after we'll go with the music. Any question is there for anyone? From anyone? Okay. So first, children, Bhumi Pranam. First step, you open your hand to the both side of your body. Then straight, slowly walk forward. Slowly walk forward. This is the first step. In contemporary, we are using to walk in this way. Once again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3. In 3, you are standing. After that, slowly you are raising your hands up. From here, it is automatically falling down like water. So here we are doing the dance style like you are sad. So somebody wants to pick you up. Somebody wants to help you, but you are not interested. Like you remember our freedom fightings with the people of English people and Indian people, how they fight each other and how they kill to us. So in that sadness, this dance style is connected. Once again, 1, 2 and 3. Then from there, slowly up. It is falling down, then slowly up, it is falling down, then straight go up on your toes. Everybody on your toes, and also it is falling down on the floor. Got it? Everybody got the steps? One of you say yes, sir, if you got the steps. Ready? Once again, 1, 2 and 3, you are standing on the straight, slowly up, then falling down, then up, falling down, then both the hands up, you are falling down. On that, from that position, 1, 2. From here, 1, 2. Then 3, 4. Once again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you are joining 4, 5. Once again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once again, also it is break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. From that, you go bending backward and stand up with that. Understand? Once again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go back, bend forward, backward, and stand up. After that, move your hands towards left side. I told you you have to be grounded. Also, movement should be connected with acrobatics. After you show towards your left, touching the floor, then you have to do head rolling. Like this head rolling, you have to do. After that, 1. The hand should be like this. Then second one, 2. From here, you are showing your movements of water also there. Once again, then we'll go from beginning. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 and 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you are bending backward. From there, you are standing up. Okay. Then you are showing towards left. Showing towards left. There you have to do head rolling. Put your heads like this and go on like this. Then 1. Like how you have shown here 1 and 2. Then from there is 1. Okay. After that, so you are here moving your hands down. Then make a circle of your hands. See, make a circle of your hands like this. Then turn and throw your hands. Covering your hand here, one, then throw. Once again, see to me, 1, 2, 3, like this, moving, turn and throw. Understand? Then jump there, like jump, then grounded, and make a circle of your leg. Make a circle of your leg with this. Stand up, 1, 2, then 3 and 4. Am I visible to everyone? Niranjan sir.
Sir, please switch on your camera, sir.
Arun sir, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, absolutely you are visible. There might be
Okay.
something wrong with the child who is writing. Otherwise, your
Okay.
video and everything, audio and video, both are very, very clear.
Okay, ma'am.
Carry on, carry on.
So this much step we will go on with the music. Okay. See now. Now. Then. Slowly up. Then move your hands. Once again, continuously I am showing to you. Again, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, like this. Someone raising your hand up, you are not interested. You are pulling it down. No, I can't do that like that. The steps should be like this. You are in start and you are falling down. Okay, next 1, 2, cut music is there. 1, 2, then connect straight. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. This is tinka tinka tha. This is tinka tinka tha. Humne savara. Sorry. That is tinka tinka tha. Humne savara. Then apni wo. In apni wo, you are showing towards left. In apni wo, in that you are doing the head rolling. Apni, putting your head, make a slowly. Okay. Then ghar is like this. Then vara. From there you are moving your hands like this. Lut raha is like this. This is a contemporary movements you have to do. Followingly, you have to move your hands like this. Then turn and throw. Lut raha, this one. Lut raha, ye chaman, 1. Then up. Now, in button, you have to make a circle of your leg. See, 1, 2, 3. Understand? अपना बटन, then आंखों से अपनी. Everybody understand? Who are here? Are you clear
Arun
with
sir?
the steps? Yes,
Arun
ma'am.
sir,
Yes, ma'am.
why can't we play the music for everybody?
Oh,
You
yes, ma'am.
just talk to Niranjan. Niranjan will play the music from the base our platform.
Okay, ma'am.
So that the music would be audible to all the children.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am also playing now loudly. If it is possible.
No, you are playing whatever you are playing. You are only listening. Nothing is audible to us. No music is audible to us.
Ma'am, it is audible.
You do one thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Send it to Niranjan. Niranjan can play it from the platform.
Ma'am, it is on YouTube. The Vijay Bhava Manikarnika, and the song is 2 minutes 42 seconds. This is.
Sir, I will download it. Sir, I will download. Sir.
Please.
Okay.
Just continue, sir. I will download.
You continue.
Okay.
He will arrange it.
Okay, ma'am. Once again, I am showing until that. Then 1. Slowly. Then 1. Then next step. Children, next steps. Okay. This is 1. After this, 1, you are standing up slowly. 1, then 2, then 3 and 4. Okay. Next to that, you are beating with one leg, other hand like this. One other hand, one hand with the other hand. 1 and 2, then 3 and 4. Once again. 2 times. संकल्प बोल के 1 2 3 go. संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े. Okay, then slowly you slide, then sleep and open your hands from front. Open your hands. Once again. 3 go. 1, 2, slowly. 3 and 4. Then from there you slide 1. Sorry. From there you slide and sleep. Make a turn and open your hands in front. Okay. Got it? How many of you student, how many of you got it? Student, let me know how many of you got the step. Student, let me know how many of you got the step.
Raise your hands.
Raise your hands. Okay.
Don't write anything in the chat box. Raise your hand.
Also, you can come with your videos. Yes, it is okay. Good. Good. Like this. Raise your hands whenever I ask. How many of you got the step? You have to raise your hands. Next. Once again, 3 go. 1 and 2. Yes, sir. This is okay. This song. Ready? Sir, play the song for all. From beginning. Always you have to play from beginning. Slowly down.
तिनका था हमने सवारा
1, 2.
अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी संकल्प बोल के हम निकल पड़े हर द्वार खोल के गगन कहे विजयी भव विजयी भव विजयी भव
Sir, stop. Okay, thank you.
Sir, the audio is audible, sir?
Yes, yes, very much clear.
Niranjan, it's very clear.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, sir. Whenever I tell to stop, you have to stop because
Okay, sir.
all the songs are not finished till now. Okay. So again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Next, you slide. Okay, all of you slide like this. Make a circle. Put a leg and sorry. In front, open your hands. From there, go back and raise your hands to up. Okay. Next to that, from here, you have to do 1 and 2. Here comes the semi-classical and martial art dance style. 1 and 2. Then 3 and 4. After that, 1. You have to move your legs. 1 and 2 up. Fully up. Then next to that, 1 on the floor. Like you are, it is sword and this is seal. This is sword, always you are holding. This is seal, okay? Then 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Understand? Once again, I will show you with the count fast. 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 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 Everyone got the step? You can switch on your microphone and tell yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Niranjan sir, now you can play.
Sir, just a minute. All of you children, good morning. All of you keep your videos on so that sir can watch you dancing. If you keep your videos off, we cannot see you and we cannot know what are you doing. So I request those of you who have joined this hobby class, please switch on your videos. Children, are you listening to me? Switch on your videos, all of you, so that sir can see you people doing the dance. Okay. Arun sir, continue.
Ready.
Shall I start, sir?
Niranjan? Yes, sir, play the music. Whenever I stop, you pause the music. Then
तिनका था हमने सवारा अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा
1, 2.
लुट रहा ये चमन
1.
अपना वतन
Move your legs.
आँखों से अपनी संकल्प बोल के
1.
तो निकल पड़े हर द्वार खोल के विजयी भव विजयी भव गगन कहे विजयी भव
Niranjan sir. Okay. So the next step is like this. You have to move your leg. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Raise your legs off. Hand is there. Once again. 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So next you are going back. moving your hands like sword. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then foot. Then break. Protect yourself. Once again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Going back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Everyone understand this step? Are you clear? Are you clear, children? Okay. So once again, after this, you are sliding towards left, then turn with sleeping and open your hands. You are going back. With this, you are showing your hand up. From here, 1 and 2, 3. And then back 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Clear this much, everyone? This is clear for everyone? Use your microphone. Children, use your microphone also. Children, use your microphone.
Sir, already I have did all.
Oh, they can't talk.
Start.
Okay. Sir, play the music again.
Sir, from the beginning.
Yes, sir.
तिनका था हमने सवारा अपनी वो माटी और घर बार
1, 2
लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन
make a circle of your leg आंखों से
संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े हर द्वार खोल के गगन गए
2
विजयी भव
2
विजयी भव गगन गए विजयी भव
1 2 1 2 1 2 Sir, please stop the music. Okay, children, next step you have to turn 1 2 3 4. Like in 1 you are turning da 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 1 2. 1 is single turning, another one is double 1 and 2. You are touching your leg. 3 go 1 1 2. Da na 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 din ta na. This is circle. Okay, next. Then 1 2 3 and 4. The steps is like this. See, 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 and 4. Everybody understood? Raise your hands. The step like Kathak style. This is the dance style of Kathak. I told you contemporary style also follows the classical ways. Okay. This is 1 2. then 3 and 4. Make a circle of your hands. This is turning. 3 go 1, Kathak 2, 3, 4. Then 3 go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next, after that, you are jumping towards right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Did you get, children? This is the step. Right, right, right. Then make a circle on the floor and stand. After that, brush your right leg and hold it like a sitar. Sitar, like this. You are playing 2, 1, 2. Once again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Everything moves with 8 counts. Okay. Most of the songs also move with 8 counts, and this modern or contemporary dance style, they are using mostly 8 counts to finish the steps easily. Once again, I will show you. 3 go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then 1, 2, 1, 2. Then 3 and 4. Like this. 3 and 4. Everyone got it? Once again, I am showing you turns 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sir, play the music now. We'll go a little bit. Yes, sir. Slowly.
तिनका था हमने सवारा अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन अपनी संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े हर द्वार खोल के गगन कहे विजयी भव
1, 2, 4
विजयी भव गगन कहे विजयी भव
1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2 1, 2
रात की सूरज की है रोशनी
Once again, children, from here 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Did you get? Then 1. Like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. From here, fire. Then air, like this. See, the movements of air is like this. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. After that, 1. Beat your chest. Back 1, 2, then 3 and 4. Understand? 3 go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then, like parrot, you have to walk 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, 1 and 2. Once again, 1, 2. Got it? Then 3, 4. Once again, 3 go. After this parrot, 4 times. Then 1 like this. 3, 4. 1 and 2. Then 3 and 4. Okay. Then move with the vibration and up. Everybody got clear about this much step? Everyone clear about this much step? Okay, once again I'm showing from the classical part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, 3 go to right. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Back 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, 1 and 2, jump, 3 and 4. You can go like this also to the back. Everyone clear? All of you clear about this much step? Okay. Niranjan sir, music please. Then slowly. Then
तिनका था हमने सवारा अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा
1, 2.
लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों में अपनी संकल्प बोल के हम निकल पड़े हर द्वार खोल के गगन कहे विजयी भव
1, 2, 4.
विजयी भव
1, 2, 4.
गगन कहे विजयी भव भटकी है रोशनी चटपटा रही रोशनी गगन कहे विजयी भव गगन कहे विजयी भव विजयी भव विजयी भव.
Children, remember? Did you got some steps? After the classical part, here comes the acrobatic movements. You have to bend backwards. That's what is it called? Back bending. That you have to do. See, like this back bending. Then from single hand, you like this. You have to do like this. After that, come back to this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. After that, cat wheels. You are here, do cat wheels. Everybody got the step? Yes? Are you clear about the acrobatic movements? Are you clear for the acrobatic movements? Okay. Again, from classical part, I am showing you 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After this, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 2, 3, and 4. Fire. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then jump. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then sit half and go forward. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Like this. 3 and 4. Then walk. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2. Jump 3 and 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. After that comes here the back bending. Sir, please unmute the children so I can listen if they are clear or not.
Clear.
Okay, but children, come with your videos.
Can
If
you show the acrobatic movements again?
Clear. Sir, I am not clear.
If you are clear, just come with your videos. Okay. Remember, girls or boys, this is back bending. From back bending, this is back bending. Then single hand position like this. Okay. Then on your knees. On your knees. Once again, someone is asking to show again. See, the acrobatic position is like this. 1, 2, then 3 and 4. Then on your toes, on your knee. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, after that, slowly this hand off and cat wheels. Children, did you get after the cat wheels? Yes. After the cat wheels, same step again. 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. This is a step. Then you are sliding. You have to slide to front. Slide. On your knee, you have to slide front. Showing your hands like this. Okay, then sit half, like muscles. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. After that comes the throw dance movement. Okay, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. In 8, you have to stop. Clear? Are you clear? No, if you can't do the cat wheels, you can make a circles. Niranjan sir, I am clearly audible?
Yes, sir, you are clearly audible and visible, sir.
Okay. Children, come with your video so I can see if you are finishing the steps properly or not.
Arun sir,
Yes,
some
ma'am.
of them have told they cannot switch on their videos due to poor network or some other issues. Some of them have expressed that inability. The rest of them, I hope they have switched it on.
Okay, ma'am.
Sir, can we do it again from starting with the music? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No, some children have written. I'm only reading it out.
Which movement can we do except cartwheels? Like knee turning, you can do also with that. Knee turning also with this. Because you have to do acrobatic. You have to follow the. You have to join the acrobatic. You have to join the semi-classical movements. You have to join the classical movement also with that. Some of the free movement also you can use. This is the style of contemporary. Everybody understand the theory what I told you? We have two styles of contemporary style. Western style one, Indian style is another. Western style only they are focusing in turning, jumping, light runs like that. But we are focused in to connect with the elements. 5 elements is most important for us. With that also we use sometimes Bollywood style of contemporary. Indian style mostly comes from Bollywood. So that one we are using in the dance. You have to understand how you have to connect with the floor. This is one, and head rolling is another. How you are going back bending. These are how to connect with the earth. And in the same way, how you to fly it, like this, jump and fly it, and like this, and turn. This jump. If you don't practice, you can't get. You have to feel that lightness inside of you. Okay, sir, Niranjan sir, we can play again. Sir, 1 second. I need to connect with my speaker because it is not coming. This Bluetooth is there. One second, sir. Okay, sir. Niranjan sir.
Sir,
Can you
start here.
Yes, sir. Now it is okay.
Start from my side or you will, sir?
No, sir. You have to play. I can't listen your voice for that. I played it.
Sir.
तिनका था हमने सवारा अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े हर द्वार खोल के गगन गहे विजयी भव विजयी भव गगन गहे विजयी भव भटकी है रोशनी, है छटपटा रही रोशनी। गगन कहे विजयी भव, गगन कहे विजयी भव। ओ विजयी भव, विजयी भव।
Everybody clear about the step?
Thank you, Arun sir. Well done. Well done. Well done.
Thank you. Children, have you learned and practice in your home? I will share the video later, and the song is in YouTube. Have a great day. Bye. Thank you. That bending is very easy. You have to practice it from the floor. You have to sleep and off. Sleep and off. If you practice that one, automatically your hand muscle will be stronger. Then after, you can do the back bending very easily. Okay. Thank you for joining the class, children. Thank you so much. Have a great vacation. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, Miss. Thank you, children. Thank you, Anushka.
Thank you, sir. Shall I end the meeting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you for helping. Even sir, thank you so much.
Sir.
Namaskar, ma'am.